Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about learning from flops. I know we already talked about on this podcast how, focus on things that work for you, some posts that went viral, for example. But actually, you can learn a lot from what did not work for you or others. For example, nowadays, celebrities and politicians,
Not a good start, Boris.
They can get tarnished press for posting inappropriate and sometimes downright offensive posts. So imagine a regular Joe like you and me can get the same treatment for rocky faults.
I got a bad feeling about this.
As one example, and then this is just one example of such a silly mistakes, don't ever talk trash about your employer online. A frustrating day or experience is not a good reason to broadcast online, especially on social media, your complaints with your employer. This behavior is not only inappropriate, but also can easily get caught these days. Again, even if you think you delete the tweet, someone could have taken a screenshot and that can easily go viral. So that's really a rocky mistake, a rock fault, and it's a no-no, right? So my point here is that you can double learn from flops in two ways. One, via other people's mistakes and avoiding to replicate those failures, and from yourself, of course. So even sharing someone else's post can get in trouble online these days. And that's why we talk about avoiding polemic topics and also avoiding studying a box fighting online. Okay, so as action, focus on your mistakes so far, even if it was minimum. Go back and check what went wrong or on your posts or the videos or whatever you share. And try to see if, for example, was a missed tone. You try to use a different voice that was not your own voice, right? For example, sometimes you never been sarcastic and then you decided to make a sarcastic post, and that backfired to you, right? So check those posts and remember them to avoid repeating the same mistakes. Studying and learning from them. So basically, learning from the flops. Okay? So see you soon again. Take good care. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.